Alright, here we go. Today, so I am playing as Julie. A victim, as you can see. And hopefully, I'm not gonna die. Okay, I kind of know what to do now, like how to avoid making noise. Okay. Okay, I noticed this is good for stabbing, you can stab the family members at the back with these as well. Why am I so yellow? Fucking hell, that always gets me, man. Oh god, why is this so like fucked? Right. I don't like this already. Someone's died. I think that was the person next to me. Okay, I need to find tools. Just anything. I'll cut these down. Finally! Jesus, a bit of silence. That was fucking not nice. Okay, I'm gonna grab another one. Come on, come on. Okay, I'm gonna try and find a door. Where's a door? A barricade. No, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Get off, get away, get away, get away. I don't know where to go, I don't know where to go. No idea, no idea, no idea. He is so close and he's slicing the shit out of me. Oh my god, run! Unbelievable. She is fast and slow. Jesus Christ. You can't outrun a fat man with a chainsaw. And now look at you. Oh, Jesus Christ. It is so fucked. Okay, let's go, 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 go. Okay. I don't really care about the noise at the start, if I'm being honest. Just want to get the hell out. Right. I'm actually going to follow this person. Oh my god, stop it. Fuck's sake. Oh shit. I done a bad. I've done a very fucking bad. Get it, crawl. Crawl! Fucking crawl! Oh my fuck. No, 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 no. Shit, shit, shit. Bollocks. Oh my god, I suck. I really do suck, and it's starting to dumb headed now. Not gonna lie. I didn't even check the map this time. I don't even know what mode I'm playing in. Oh god, he sounds so near again. Is someone dying already? Oh, fuck off. I just started, man. Literally just left the bloody door. dead end. Is he chasing me? I don't want to. I don't even want to check to find out. Yeah, yeah he is. Yeah he is. Yeah he is. Yeah he is. He's breaking the fucking thing I climbed through. But you can run faster than this. Great. Now I don't know where everything is now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just too scared to move now. Climb. Ah! Oh fucking hell. What? Oh fuck's sake. Yeah, I know. Fuck's sake, this is starting to do my head in now. What do I... Well, I know what to do, I just can't find anything. And the fact that this knob found me straight away did not help whatsoever. I'm alive? No, I'm not. Am I alive? Fucking hell. Oh, yes, I want to leave. Get me out. Try again. Shit. Please get lost. Oh my god. Now you're there. Did he lock the door? I don't know if he sees me. Oh fuck. Bloody hell. Oh fuck's sake. Go, go, go. Come on. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I feel very pissed off. Whatever, whatever, just kill me. Whatever, whatever. Go on, just do it. Hurry up, I give up. Do it. Come on. Right, come on. I'm gonna give this one last shot. And, well, it's not gonna be a good shot. Right, lockpick. Just find a lockpick. Once I get comfortable using the lockpicks, I can try and find other ways to escape. Okay, I'm just gonna go in quick. Okay, now maybe I was too quick. Just today just seems to be a lot harder to find lockpicks. Never mind.
Okay, stay calm. You can use this.
Finally, the first time today I found a lockpick. Fuck yeah, go on, I'll get another one. So you can tell I'm a bit more, I got a bit more knowledge towards the game now. I'm not just spamming E and making an hell of a racket. Oh my god, again! Every game! Oh, she's there. Why am I highlighted? Oh my god. Don't close your... Oh my god, have I locked it? No. Close the fucking door. Can I lock it? No, I can't. Oh my god. Hi, bye. Oh my god. Is he... Oh, this cunt's fast as well. Climb. Why can I find the E button? Why? That's so annoying. Oh, fucking hell. Fucking hell. Well, man up. Oh my god. 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 Oh my days. Oh my days. Please get away. I got no health. I am dead. Jesus Christ. Oh, I need health. Oh, I still see him. Oh shit. What's that noise? Oh my god. Oh, I can hear Leatherface now. Oh. Jesus. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. They're just camping, aren't they? Okay, I'm just gonna jump down here. I'm not gonna lie, I think I fucked up coming back down here. That's right, fucking slam it open, why don't you? Fucking Christ. Bullshit. Bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Oh, no! I'm sorry, I went around that trap. Oh, that is so infuriating. I don't believe it. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna leave this very unsuccessful video here. Yeah, like, it's very hard trying to play as a victim, especially when you still don't really know what you're doing. I don't know who I'm gonna use next video. How do I find out? Obviously, I use Julie the most. I might go with Leland, because I think he's the easiest one to use, because you can, like, barge them out of the way. Cause that's what's happened to me a couple of times when I was playing as Hitchhiker or whatever family member. He just fucking American tackles you. So I might use him next video, and hopefully I'll still get a bit more experience in me and a bit more knowledge. I'll try and play a little bit in the background and try and do a bit more research, but I think that's just the whole process and the whole part of the series. This series is just get better every video, I guess. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.